That stupid now, or before, once he gets on the plane, you guys are going to kick him off.
Right. And I knew you were going to kick me out of the airport because it's all sharing smiles. In my bags, I want my checked-in luggage, and I'm out of here. Come here. Come here. Don't put your hands on me.
Restaurant staff confirmed no crime occurred. Officers acknowledged it on camera. Moments later, a man was in handcuffs on a resisting charge. What constitutional principles governed this encounter? And how many were followed?
He's currently right there at the bakery. He paid for his beer and he left, but he was just being really ignorant and very loud.
Okay.
He's like screaming. Not screaming, he was yelling to the restaurant. He's walking fine, he seems to be walking fine. He might just be like a weird dude.
Is that him now?
Yeah. He was recording one of our bartenders. It could have just been coincidental. He was recording out the window, and then he happened to turn around, and his phone was still recording. The bartender did ask to, hey, you know, record me, and he kind of got a little tiffy, but like just my manager, you know, told him like, hey, man, like screaming into the restaurant. He was very disrupting people, so.
Please 9115 arriving.
Yeah, the guy that's right there. Right there. Yeah, him.
That guy right there.
That's him.
Oh, that guy that was yapping to us?
Yes.
Yeah.
He could just be the yapper. I don't know, but he was being very disruptive.
He's mouthy.
He's very mouthy. Very.
I don't. Yeah,
That
that's
is
the guy.
definitely the guy.
I wonder
Yeah,
if
he had one
on.
in our restaurant. We told him no more. He paid for the one and he drank it and left. But we did have to tell him a few times to stop. So nothing that we want to do. We just want to keep you guys aware and maybe watch him or something.
So no crime occurred, nothing like that?
Nope, nothing. So yeah, we're good. Thank you. Appreciate it, guys.
So he was he?
Got a smile on his face with us.
Yeah, he's flying out. What do you say?
Smile on her face.
Can we talk to you for a second?
Definitely. Only if you're smiling and you get them tattoos off you.
I don't know about smiling. I don't
You
normally
don't know
smile.
about smiling?
I don't smile a lot. What was going on down there?
What do you mean?
They said that you were, they asked you to
I'm
stop
taking
filming.
a chunk of Sarasota and I'm bringing it to Chicago.
Okay.
That's what I'm doing.
So what was the issue down there though?
Sharing a smile.
Okay.
And it's not an issue unless you get the newspaper.
Okay. Well, they were saying that they asked you, you were recording, they asked you to quit recording them. You got a little
Of
mouthy.
course. It's a public building.
Well, I understand that, but you were filming a person in particular, and you're in a restaurant, and they're asking you to quit, and then you got a little mouthy.
Yeah, I did.
Okay. What was the point of that?
Yes.
What was the point of that?
Smiling.
You got your ID on you?
I sure do. Yeah, I'm getting a shakedown for a smile. Yeah.
Is that his?
See? Nobody, yeah, you know.
Oh.
There you go.
How much you had to drink, John?
Not much.
Not much.
I'll be quiet on the plane. I got earbuds. Well, listen how your job's going to be taken away. Because it's a task.
Just so you know, if you act up on the plane or act up before
I
you
won't.
get, just listen to me before you respond. If you act up on the plane or act up before you get on the plane, they're not going to let you fly. Okay? Because you have had something to drink. Make sure you're good. Make sure you don't have any warrants.
I do in Georgia. For fishing without a license.
And as long as they're not going to act you,
Yeah.
you're good.
It's been 20-something years.
Yeah.
Yep.
Like I said,
Cigarettes, all of it.
Don't act stupid on the plane.
All of it.
They will kick you off.
It's $20 something for a pack of cigarettes. I ain't paying that.
Okay. Is it going to be any issues that we need to like?
What do you think?
It looks like there's going to be.
That's what I would, 30,000 feet up?
investigated? Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it. I'll just let the
Your
supervisor know.
call.
Your call, not mine. But
Not my call either, thank God. But I'll let the supervisor know. Just wanted to make sure. Thank you.
you're welcome.
What? Why? Why smile?
I don't know.
Well, I will. Thank you, kindly. Let me know when you're ready. If I stand still, my back hurts.
He was talking about his back hurting if he stands still too long. So
He's giving me shit about touching my back. So
I'm
they're
just
not
running
gonna
them.
help.
No, they well,
Sure,
probably
you
not.
can Is he drunk? I was like, oh yeah. Is he one? I said, your call, but yeah, he's being himself. He's like, it's up to you what you want to do. 30,000 feet. He's like, it's up to you what you want to do. 30,000 feet.
I've told him he claims that he's got headphones. He's going to chill out and relax.
Well, I'll get with the supervisor over there and find out if they're going to allow this guy to fly or not. Because we'll stay up here until, we'll just let him know and then we'll go from there.
Is it the one? Is that the one you took?
I think she's, no, the other one was shit.
Is she down on Jet Bridge?
Yeah, she's a little one walking around with an iPad.
Is that the manager?
Hi.
This guy was caused a little bit of an issue in the restaurant.
Okay.
They said it wasn't too bad. They don't want to trespass him. A little bit of an issue in the restaurant.
Okay.
They said it wasn't too bad. They don't want to trespass him, but they said that he only had one drink there. But you can tell he's had a little bit more than that.
Okay.
He said he's going to be flying on the plane. I've already warned him. He act stupid now, or before, or once he gets on the plane, you guys are going to kick him off.
Right.
He's claiming he's going to be calm, but I don't know what you guys want to do.
Yeah. Which one is it?
Okay.
Okay. As soon as he gets off the phone, I'll go have a conversation.
What's that?
I'll have a conversation with him as soon as he gets off the phone. Because we can't let him out of plane if he's intoxicated, then it's all the problem.
He's super happy right now,
Yeah.
telling everybody to smile.
So they have to signal out while on the plane that he snaps.
Yeah. And that's what we have to watch. Yeah, no, you cancel your reservation and write to AA.com and ask for a refund. We cannot legally let you on the plane intoxicated. I think it's federal regulations. How many air pilots have driven drunk? Yeah, a lot.
Okay.
A lot.
That's not what we're talking about.
I'm not here to get angry and upset. and
Yeah,
stuff,
we're talking
okay?
about you right now.
That's not about me. What I'm about is a smile, and that's it. I've been trying to get on American Airlines for 3
Well,
days.
you're not going to get on American Airlines.
Okay, all right, fine. Then I have to make a call.
Okay. You do what you gotta
And
do.
I knew you were going to kick me out of the airport because it's all sharing smiles.
Hey, John.
When you share
John.
a smile,
John.
it never
Hey.
stops.
Hey,
I don't want to go to jail. I'm out of here.
Hey.
Okay, so
Calm
I'm
down.
getting my bags.
Calm down.
I want my checked-in luggage, and I'm out of here. I'll be coming back tomorrow.
No, you won't.
Trespass him. Nate, trespass him. He's not coming back to this
No,
airport.
don't trespass.
You're being trespassed. You're not coming back.
I'm leaving. Because you all ain't smiling.
You know what? Hook him. The hell with it. Hook him. That's on me. Now you can go to jail.
Welcome to the Sarasota-Bradenton
I'm not doing
International
shit.
Airport. Please do not stop.
Forget that. Cut his wrist.
Don't worry. It'll cost her another
No, you're not going.
Come here. Come here. Don't put your hands on me.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Stop
What I'm
resisting.
doing
you're
is
about to
sharing
get face painted if you
smiles.
don't stop.
This is ridiculous. Don't want you need me?
Stop
What the
resisting.
fuck?
Stop resisting.
For sharing a smile. You know, what are you gonna do? Keep smiling. Relax.
You better
gentlemen.
stop. You better
You
stop.
all relax. Okay? So I can walk comfortably?
You got another charge you for resisting.
Yeah. Provocation. I'm not resisting. That's why I'm in handcuffs. What's your chest code? Got an arrest, that's what's cool.
Have a seat.
Hello?
Have a seat.
He was about to go to the floor, too.
This case tests First Amendment speech rights, Fourth Amendment seizure law, and Federal Aviation Authority. Each applies. Not all were respected. Board of Airport Commissioners v. Jews for Jesus, 482 US, 569 1,987. Airports are public fora. Glik v. Cunniffe, 655 F.3D 78 2011. Recording in public is a First Amendment right. The recording was lawful. Terry v. Ohio, 392 US, 1,968. Articulable criminal suspicion required before a lawful stop. Staff confirmed no crime occurred. No Terry Foundation existed at the point of contact. 49 USCs. Section 44,902. Boarding denial authority rests with the carrier. 14 CFR. Section 121.575. Visible intoxication is grounds for refusal. Officers deferred to the airline supervisor. Jurisdictionally correct. City of Houston v. Hill 482 US, 451 1,987. First Amendment protects verbal challenges to police, including profanity. Cohen v. California, 403 US, 15 1,971. Offensive words cannot be criminalized. This is controlling law. Dunaway v. New York, 442 US, 200 1,979. Probable cause required before custodial arrest. Protected speech cannot supply that probable cause when force was applied. The subject was complying with the trespass order. State v. Saunders, 339 so. 2D 641 FLA 1,976. Florida Section 877(3) requires conduct beyond mere words. One profane statement without threatening conduct does not meet this threshold. Florida Section 843(2) requires lawful execution of duty as a predicate. J v. State. 731 so. 2D 774 FLA. 4th DCA 1,999. Unlawful arrest cannot support obstruction if probable cause was absent. Both charges fail. Graham v. Connor. 490 US. 386 1,989. Force must be objectively reasonable at application. That standard inherits the constitutional validity or defect of the arrest it enforced. 2 lessons. Knowing your rights and exercising them in the moment are different competencies. Correct analysis on one legal question does not carry to the next. The Fourth Amendment received different treatment here. If the arrest lacked probable cause, what becomes of every charge? If Hill and Cohen protected those words, when did criminal conduct begin? These are not rhetorical questions. A court must now decide.